Technology is changing at warp speed. Do you feel you're at the forefront of this technology, or are you like the millions of us, me included, who wants to keep up, but I find it almost impossible to do? In this video, we'll merge innovation and creativity seamlessly in a dynamic digital universe. Now, if you have no clue what this means, you're watching the right short video. Watch as I break down the technology into easy-to-understand bits of information. So take this journey with me to OctoSpace. OctoSpace, where cutting-edge technology transforms how we interact, create, and experience the digital frontier. Dive in as we explore how OctoSpace is revolutionizing virtual spaces, and it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Introducing OctoSpace, a new era of decentralized computing where innovation meets efficiency. So here's a question. Is OctoSpace actually a crypto, or is it a data service? Well, it's actually both. The digital world is changing rapidly, and we are on the brink of a technological revolution. Decentralized technologies are gaining traction, transforming the way we interact with data and digital assets. OctoSpace emerges as a leader in this revolution, setting new standards in decentralized computing. It is a blockchain-powered platform that ensures transparency and security. OctoSpace offers a variety of decentralized computing services. This includes VPN, deep learning, and GPU rendering while catering to diverse needs. OctoSpace is designed for accessibility and ease of use. It's making advanced technology available to everyone. Individuals and businesses can leverage its power to enhance their operations and achieve greater efficiency. It provides a secure and efficient alternative to traditional computing methods. This stands in contrast to traditional centralized computing solutions. It offers more flexibility and control. Just like crypto, it puts it into the hands of the creator and the decentralized blockchain-based computing. OctoSpace is at the forefront of a new era, driving the future of technology. The power of decentralization, how OctoSpace works. OctoSpace operates on a unique marketplace model. It's both a service provider and consumer. Providers list their computing resources on the platform. They set their own prices. This creates a competitive market. However, in reality, most prices are within a tight range of each other. Consumers benefit from competition. Blockchain technology underpins the entire ecosystem. This ensures transparency and security. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the same as crypto. Now, this is important, as no one site where the data is stored can be attacked. Hundreds or thousands of data nodes store this information in part or whole around the world. OctoSpace is not the first company to offer this service. However, they are nipping at the heels of their competition. This makes them tamper-proof and auditable. This fosters trust and accountability, and it benefits both providers and consumers. Octa, the fuel of the OctoSpace ecosystem. Octa is the native cryptocurrency of OctoSpace, designed to seamlessly integrate into the digital economy. It powers all transactions within the ecosystem, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. Users pay for services using Octa, making it a versatile and convenient payment method. Providers receive payments in Octa, facilitating a streamlined and transparent payment process. This creates a closed-loop economy where every transaction is interconnected. It is both efficient and secure, leveraging blockchain technology to protect user data. Octa offers more than just payment functionality, providing a range of features for users. Users can stake their Octa, which supports the network and enhances its capabilities. It also earns them rewards, making it a beneficial activity for participants. Staking contributes to the stability and security of the platform, reinforcing its robustness. It incentivizes users to participate actively in the ecosystem, driving growth and innovation. Section 4. Securely storing your Octa wallets and exchanges. In this section, we will explore the various methods available for storing your Octa tokens securely. Proper storage of Octa tokens is crucial. Users have several options to consider, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. They can choose to store their Octa on a cryptocurrency exchange. This offers convenience and easy access for trading. However, it comes with certain risks, such as potential security breaches and hacking attempts. Alternatively, users can opt for non-custodial wallets. These wallets provide a higher level of security. These wallets provide greater security by allowing users to have full control over their private keys. Users have full control over their private keys, which means they are solely responsible for their security. Popular options include MetaMask and hardware wallets, which are known for their robust security features. These wallets offer different levels of security and convenience, catering to various user preferences and needs. Users should choose the option that best suits their needs, considering factors like security, ease of use, and accessibility. Section 5. Acquiring Octa, a step-by-step guide. Purchasing Octa is straightforward. Numerous reputable cryptocurrency exchanges list Octa. Users need to create an account on one of these exchanges. Identity verification is often required. This ensures compliance with regulations. Once the account is verified, users can add a payment method. They can then purchase Octa using their preferred currency. After the purchase, it's recommended to transfer the Octa to a personal wallet. This enhances security. Section 6. The future of computing. Decentralized, secure, and efficient. OctaSpace embodies the future of computing. It is a future where power is distributed. It prioritizes security and efficiency. The platform's innovative use of blockchain technology is groundbreaking. As OctaSpace continues to evolve, it is poised to revolutionize the industry. It offers a compelling alternative to traditional centralized solutions. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, OctaSpace is well-positioned to drive the mass adoption of decentralized computing. Well, now you are informed about OctaSpace. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below. If you would like to have a video created about a specific topic, put that in the comments below as well. Well, I am Mark with Crypto for Seniors. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.